Day two of the 2024 Minnesota legislative session. Good evening, everyone. Thanks for being with us here tonight. I'm Brock Burgee. First at 5, legislative leaders announced dozens of new initiatives yesterday, but one of them could head to voters if passed by state lawmakers. Tonight, KTDC's Quinn Gorham explains the Equal Rights Amendment and what it is.
Amid all the buzz at the state capitol on Monday, cries for one cause rang louder than most. Minnesotans in support of an equal rights amendment. A number of states have passed the legislation which would prevent discrimination based on a number of factors, such as sex, race, gender expression, or sexual orientation. The bill is considered a top priority for the state DFL, and it could have a number of lasting effects. If passed, the amendment would need to be ratified by voters as well. DFL leaders anticipate the measure would be on the ballot for the 2026 election. One item of note, on top of language ensuring equal rights, DFL leadership in the House anticipates reproductive rights could be a key part of that amendment.
But if the law doesn't change at all because we pass an equal rights amendment, has it done anything? I think we need to be absolutely clear that there is legal effect to the language and that the language protects reproductive freedom and expressions of gender identity.
Republicans seem to be against the bill, drawing attention to what they call partisanship on the issue.
They're just taking an extreme stance again and making this a political issue. And so that's what we're seeing here in this particular piece of legislation.
Minnesota is not a referendum state, which means a constitutional amendment is really the only way to put policy issues on the ballot. That said, DFLers look like they're trying to do that by putting abortion access up to a direct vote of the people in 2026. Reporting in St. Paul, I'm Quinn Gorham.
Now, we do expect to hear from Minnesota's Queer Caucus about their legislative priorities coming up tomorrow morning. Lawmakers will likely touch on health care and the Equal Rights Amendment during that.